The R34 GT-R is badass enough from the factory, but you know us, we can't leave well enough alone. So we called upon the guys over at HKS. To increase efficiency, we installed their coil pack conversion kit. To help with heat soak in this Arizona sun, we installed the HKS intercooler and intercooler piping kit. And that helps get our air in, but we needed more air out, and of course an increase in sound. So we installed their titanium super muffler kit. To get the stance and the handling right, we installed the HKS Hypermax Type S coilovers. And that's not all for drivability. This is a driver's car, and to help make that feel even better, we installed an HKS clutch kit. Don't you guys forget, we're not just a truck shop, so if you need your performance car leveled up, make sure to reach out to us at help@sdhqoffroad.com. Like always, appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.